Welcome to everybody listening to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Java project and displaying a message using Java. Well, I'm using Eclipse IDE, but feel free to use whatever IDE you want, but Eclipse is just my preference. So to create a Java project, you click on create a Java project right here, or you go to File, New, Java project. Now let's give a project name. Let's click and give a project name. Let's say practice tutorial. Following the naming convention. And let's click on next. Finish. Now we need to create our new Java file. For that, you right click on source, new, and class. Let's give our Java file a name. Let's say practice. And let's click on finish. Now our new Java file is created. Now we need to declare our main function. For that, you type in public static void and you pass in the main. You type in string at. Now our main file is created. Our main function is created. Now to display a message, you just need to type in system dot out dot print and you type in the message you want. Let's say hello. Let's run that. Say our hello message is displayed. Now you can add whatever line you want. Welcome. Let's run that. Yeah, you can notice hello welcome is on the same line. To make it move to the next line, you just type in ln right here. And let's run that. Now it is on the new line. Thank you for listening to this tutorial. Hopefully to see you in another one. Thanks.